Hey guys, what's going on? Doing a quick video midweek here. I really want to talk about Jason Bond's Wall Street Bookie a little bit more. So if you're in any of my communities or been talking to me recently, you'll know this is my latest, greatest thing that I've been trying out and really having some success with, and I know a few other people that are as well, and it's just been great. So I'm fairly new to spreads, but if you're interested in spread trading, I actually did a webinar with my friend Lance last night. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can go and check out that webinar. And so he alerts different types of spreads and cash secured puts and things. He's really good at it. Just basically something that you want to check out. So let's get started with Jason Bond's Wall Street Bookie. So I signed up for this a week or so ago, and so far I've been so impressed with it. It's been probably my favorite service I've ever been part of so far. Now, of course, it's only been a small sample size, but I'm able to check out his back past record and stuff and see, is this really kind of what he's like most of the time, or is this just a good spell? And honestly, like, so far I've been really impressed. So I wanted to go through a couple of wins that I've had recently. I've only taken a few trades, but so far I'm up about $3,000, just using $2,000 positions, which is awesome. It's really fun. I'm really new to spreads, like I said, though, so I'm trying to be a bit careful, trying not to like lose all in one trade or whatever. So just kind of like, you can follow my learning curve here as I post video updates and things. So before going any further though, you want to check out this video. So Jason's doing a live stream event in 18 hours, it says here. So if you're watching this soon after I post this, you'll be able to catch this webinar. It's actually on Thursday at lunchtime Eastern time. So all you have to do is go and check out here, Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern time on Thursday, put in your name and sign up for it. I think it's going to be great. I'm really excited about it. This is Jason Bond's #1 service. He shows full transparency, full track record and everything. I'll show you a bit of that in a second. And I really think if there's one type of system that's been working well in this market, it's been sell-in bull puts, which is what Jason does in Wall Street Bookie. So I'll leave a link in the description to the full review. I'm not going to go through it all again. There's plenty of stuff here. I've posted videos about it and everything in here. So basically it's an amazing service. And let me show you, like, this morning's watch list, for example, and I'll show you some results and things. So every morning before market opens, you get this type of email. This is this morning's. So you can see the idea is that you'll get the alerts, the entry and exit trades from the Raging Bull app. I'll just zoom in here a little bit so it's easier to read. So that's like how you get your alerts, which is cool. The thing I'm excited about is there's a new Bookie chat room coming. So a lot of these services lack a place for subscribers to talk about things, and it's coming on Thursday. Chat room for the service, which is great. There's also 1 hour selling option spread trading on Saturday, so I'm definitely going to go and watch that because I'm relatively new to this whole thing. Then in the email every morning gives some like education stuff. You can go and click on those and you know, learn some new stuff. This is pretty interesting though, and this is why the service is so exciting to me. So he launched the service on July 28th, so two or 3 months ago now, so a whole 2 months ago. And in that time he has won 37 wins on this thing. 37 wins down here, you see, and 2 losses. And so the cool thing is he's really transparent. So I showed it in a previous video. I'm not going to show the whole track record again, but basically he is making like 30 or 40% on these spreads of the total buying power used within a day or two, sometimes 3 or 4 days, but sometimes less. Like today's results for me were much faster than that. I basically traded these intraday for some significant profits, and I'll show you that in a sec. But you can see he lists his winning streaks and everything, and this is a little snapshot from his full track record, which I show in that review that I just showed you. And basically look at this: Apple, Tesla, Netflix, bull puts, and look at these wins. So he's risking about $10,000. Well, that's not the risk, that's the position size. And look, 4,900, 4,500, and we're talking in days, like not months, which is really cool. So you can see 12%, 40%, 21%, and these things turn around fast. So I'm cycling through my buying power really quickly doing these, which is really exciting. I'll give you a quick idea of what else he's included in these newsletters, this kind of stuff. Then he goes through with a bunch of watch list stuff, and I took a couple of these today. I took Amazon and WMT, and those were two nice winners for me. So you can see the kind of thing, really simple, just That's all you need to know for the trades. And yeah, so really cool. Let me show you the results from today. I took a screenshot earlier, so I hope you can see this. It's always really difficult to show Thinkorswim stuff on the computer. Whenever I try and do it, it's like totally, you can't read it on the actual thing. So I've taken screenshots, putting them into PowerPoint, and then showing you guys. And so Amazon, 1950 today, that was using $4,000 of buying power, so nearly 50% win. I got kind of lucky on the exit on this one. But I was super happy to see that because, you know, this is only the first few days I've been trading this thing. Superb win. WMT I've already double dipped on a couple of times now. Today was another 530, so I was pretty excited about that. So $2,500 in, well, today really, and then another 1,000 or so the other day from the service. So overall, I'm really excited about this service. I think it's something that, if you're interested in spreads and don't want to wait a month or 2 months or whatever to turn these around, these things are working fast and they're working really well. And I have a coupon code that you can get access. So if you come to this article, at the moment these links are going to the webinar for tomorrow, this webinar. So I advise you to go and check this webinar out. Go and listen to Jason talking about his service. You can ask him questions and everything. But if you don't get offered a good deal on there, I can get you a deal for 2 years for $14.99, so 2 full years for a total of $14.99, which is an absolute bargain. This service is worth a lot more, and in fact it usually retails at like $3,000 for a year. So this is absolutely awesome if we can get it. So if you need this code, reach out to me. I'll put my email address in the description below or in the comments below, and you can check that out. Go to the webinar, see what you think, and if the webinar deal isn't good enough, maybe I can get you a bigger discount on this from Raging Bull. So alright guys, I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of the week.